Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. So something like that. And here we've got the recents. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on this X button right in the middle to close all of those apps. And as you can see, we've got this information, nothing to clear in cache. We can of course check it, and here we've got no recent items. Sometimes your device will leave one of those apps opened. I have no idea why, but sometimes it will happen. It happened to me before, but all you then need to do is to simply swipe it to the left, I believe, or to the right. Let me simply open the cleaner just to show it to you. Here we've got the cleaner opened, so just swipe it to the left or to the right to close it manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.